guys, on this episode I'm going to try to get this dent out. As you can see, it's pretty bad on the tailgate here. I bought the car like this. It's got a bit of damage on it. It's been keyed as well. So whoever owned this car beforehand, someone didn't like them that much. You see from every angle it's pretty bad, especially from that angle. So what I'm going to do is attempt to fix this myself with a paintless dent removal kit, or paintless dent repair kit. That's it here, okay. And this is what I'm going to use to put the hot glue on. You've got all different types of attachments here. Got a whole heap of glue sticks. As you can see, heaps of attachments. I've got the glue stick going, and what I'm going to do to heat up the panel is just use a hairdryer. Alright, I'm not going to use a heat gun because I don't want to burn the paint. What I'm going to do is heat up this metal here, because we're in winter, it's rather cold, so it's better to heat up the metal a bit and before I put the hot glue on there, and then I'll try to pop this out and see if I can make it a lot better than what it was anyway. So let's get started. Alright, so I'm just going to heat up this area. Let's get this panel nice and hot. It's got some flexibility without cracking the paint. Pretty hot, so I'm just going to get the glue stick here and put a whole heap of hot glue. This little plug. First off, I'm going to try to hit it just here. Down a bit, and we've got to wait for that to set, obviously. Alright, so let's see. We'll put the tool on it, see if we can pop it out. It seems to be set pretty well now onto the panel. I've got the tool on there now. Just want to set the tension. Okay. I'll set the tension so it's just sitting there on its own. Let's see, hopefully it pulls out. Tension a bit more. It has popped out a bit. Okay. Let's see how that came about. And actually has popped it out a bit, guys. Pretty happy with that. Not bad. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut that off because it didn't actually pop off. It's still stuck on the panel. I'll just cut that out with a one of my cards, credit cards or whatever, and I might heat it up with the heat gun actually a little bit, or a hairdryer in this case, and that should melt and soften that glue, and then I might be able to reapply it just up here a little bit. That has actually popped it out quite a bit from what it was. See there? I mean, there's still a ripple there, but it has actually popped it out a bit, especially up on that crease up the top there. I was just adding a bit more tension on that spring a bit by bit, and yeah, let's give it another go. Okay, for this second attempt I'm going to use a smaller plug because it's a smaller dent I want to pull out, a smaller section of dent. but roughly around here. I'll just wait for that to cure and we'll give it another go. Pull the left hand side of the dent out. Hopefully it will straighten out even more. Alright guys, as you can see I've got the tool set up again. I'm going to give this dent another go with a smaller plug. Just going to add some tension to it. Slowly pop it out. It's getting there. More tension. Okay. Well, there is a bit of a rip. I mean, it's not going to be perfect, but it's a lot better than what it was. A lot better than what it was. But that did pop it out even more. Okay. Not too bad. Okay, well, after that second attempt, that's what it looks like so far. Yeah, there's a bit of a ripple there, I know, but this rather large dent that was here is nearly gone. I've just got a little small piece there. Try to pop out a couple of minor ones. There's another one right next to it. And then I might put one more. We'll have 2 attempts at this dent here. Alright guys, well that's what I'm going to do for today. But I know it's not perfect. There's a bit of a ripple there. I'm going to have a couple more goes at that. But yeah, it's a lot better than what it was anyway. There was a really big dent there, you would have seen at the start of the video. And now it's improved it a bit. You know, I know it's not perfect. But with this one here, I've had a couple of goes at it. Let me just zoom out a bit. Had a couple of goes there at that ripple. What I might have to do is actually open up the tailgate, take the trim off, and then maybe push that, heat it up, and then just push that out with a wooden handle off a, you know, off a hammer or something like that. Just slowly push it out. But overall, it's improved it quite a bit to compared to what it was anyway. So it's worth giving it a go. There's another angle of it. I've just lifted up the tailgate, and as you see, it has improved it a bit, quite a bit actually. But yeah, it's not perfect. Needs a bit more work, guys. But it's starting to get a little bit dark now. Sun's going down. It's overcast. Probably going to rain soon, so I'm going to leave it there for now. But yeah, that's a pretty difficult one to get out. Just there, it's on the actual. It's actually on the body line. Like I said, I might be able to just take off this trim, take that off, and get it from the inside. Yeah, overall, I mean, this is a pretty difficult dent to get out, but it's not as bad as what it was. So for that, I'm pretty happy. It was pushed in quite a bit there underneath the windscreen. So anyway guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next video. And if there's any updates where I can improve this a bit further, I'll do a quick follow-up video. I'm not quite finished with it yet. I'll give it a couple more attempts and try to get those last couple of ripples out. So thanks for watching, guys.
Budget tech gadget reviews. Budget tech gadget reviews.